Hey everybody, this is Mary. Welcome to the kitchen. Are you ever just scrolling through social media or YouTube or even an old cookbook and something says that's different, that sounds weird, I've got to try it? Well, that's happened to me on this recipe right here. I was looking through a really old cookbook and I came across a recipe, folks, for green tomato jelly. It sounds so out there, I'll bet it's fantastic. I've tried several different things this year that normally I would have just let go by. And I've really been surprised at some of the results. We've really liked it, so why not? And I will write the amounts in the description box. I have some tomatoes that are cut into chunks. They need to be almost pureed. And let's take some of those back out. We want to do it in batches. That way, if we have too many, then we don't waste those chunks. I don't know, throw in some pickle brine or something. Make a tomato pickle. Okay, let's see if we can get the food processor to work. Now, like I say, I will give you folks the amounts, but I need 2.5 cups of this. And it looks like I have got it almost on the first try. I've got 2 cups, so we're just about there. If I go a little over, that's okay. I don't have to put it all in there. Okay. So what do you guys think so far? Have I totally flipped my lid? My family thinks so on some of these things I come up with, but that's okay. Alright, I'm going to put this in a heavy pan, turn it on, okay, then I'm going to add my sugar to this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir this really often to try to get a lot of the liquid going out of the tomatoes, and then after that we'll add the next ingredients. Okay, the timer just went off on the green tomatoes. It is amazing how much liquid cooked out of that. Okay. I'm going to skim this foam off. Okay. Now folks, this is the base of it. Okay. Now this next part, it involves your creativity and your tastes. After I make a mess. You guys know me, it's real life. I'm a mess. You put Jell-O in it. This one is a small box. It doesn't matter what flavor, whatever you think you would like. I'm doing strawberry because strawberry is my favorite Jell-O flavor. Stir that up. Doesn't that look amazing? Okay. Now, I'm going to grab my jars, and guys, I'm going to can it. You could freeze it, put it in freezer containers and freeze it, but I prefer to can it because I have more space on the shelf than in the freezer. I'm anticipating that this is going to make maybe 3 of these, So I prepped for her. That's just me. Okay. My jars were warm. This, of course, you know was warm. And my canner is heating up. So it's warm. Okay, so I'm going to put that up to the bottom of that little ring. Okay. I'm going to wipe off my rim. Okay, and I'm going to put a lid on it. Okay, now folks, you'll notice these are not in water. With today's lids, you're not supposed to. I put that on there finger tight, and I'm sitting it down into my canner. Guys, this smells really, really good. It smells just honestly like a strawberry Jell-O. You can't smell any type of tomato. You would never have an idea it had green tomatoes in it if you hadn't watched me. So take the water out. Do this whole process again. Guys, we may get 4 out of this. I'm not sure. It's a good thing I prepped 4 though, just in case. Okay. Number 2's in there. And we are going to get 4. It's a good thing I have it prepped. The last one may not be a full one, but we'll get it in there. Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Isn't it? What do you think? Do you think it's pretty? I know I do. Okay, and there's just enough left in there, guys, for me to grab a taste. I'm going to turn my heat up, and I'm going to process that for 20 minutes because it has tomatoes in it. Okay, cover this, turn this up, and folks, here's what I've been waiting for. I have not sampled it as of yet, but it looks like it's already starting to set up. It's coated everything really good in the pan. So let's see. Oh wow, this is good. This is excellent. I would have never in my life thought that green tomato jelly would be good. But guys, trust me, you gotta give this one a try. Alrighty, there's your timer. And let's take this out. It's already thickened up really good. But then again, guys, Jell-O does whenever it gets cold. I can't wait until this actually sets up and I can try it. Thank you, Jesus. Because the sample that I had, guys, that was excellent. I really like that. But thanks for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you on the next video.